Fresh bread already smells good, but when you toast it, the smell suddenly becomes warmer, nuttier, and strong enough to fill the room. Why? The short answer is that the toaster does two things at once. It creates new aroma molecules, and the heat helps those molecules escape into the air. Bread contains proteins and sugars. When the surface becomes hot and dry enough, parts of them begin reacting with each other. This is called the Maillard reaction. The name sounds complicated, but the idea is simple. Imagine two boxes of building blocks. Separately, the pieces look ordinary. Mix them together in a new way, and they can build something different. Heat lets parts of sugars and proteins rearrange into new compounds. Some of those compounds create the brown color of toast. Others are volatile aroma molecules. Volatile simply means they can leave the bread and travel through the air, like tiny invisible messages moving toward your nose. These molecules can produce roasted, nutty, buttery, caramel-like and slightly malty smells. Pyrazines, furans, aldehydes, and several other groups can all contribute. No single molecule creates the whole smell. Toast aroma is more like a band, with many instruments playing together. But why does toasting create more aroma than the soft inside of ordinary bread? Water is part of the answer. The soft crumb contains plenty of moisture. Water keeps its temperature from rising quickly and slows browning reactions. In the toaster, the exposed surface loses water. Once it becomes drier, it can get hotter and the Maillard reaction speeds up. Think of wet wood and dry wood near a fire. The wet piece spends much of its energy losing water first. The dry piece heats more quickly. Bread is not burning like wood, but the same idea helps explain why its dry surface browns faster. The toaster also heats a large cut surface that was previously pale crumb. That gives the reactions a fresh area to work on. More browned surface means more newly formed aroma compounds. Heat then helps those volatile molecules move out of the toast and into the surrounding air. That is why the smell spreads through the kitchen almost immediately after the toast pops up. But more heat is not always better. Light toasting creates pleasant roasted and sweet notes. If the bread becomes too dark, stronger thermal breakdown and burning produce bitter, smoky smells instead. So toasted bread smells stronger because heat dries and browns its surface, creates new aroma molecules, and releases them into the air. Your toaster is not merely warming bread, it is briefly turning the surface into a tiny aroma factory.